Hi, welcome to my video. Join us on a windy but beautiful winter day as we set out on a drive through Virginia's Shenandoah Valley, surrounded by beautiful skies, mountains, and rolling countryside. We made our way to the White Oak Lavender Farm near Harrisonburg, Virginia.
Turn right. You have reached your destination.
After we arrived, we stepped into a calm little farm setting where sheep, goats, horses, and alpacas greeted us near the barn, and the scent of lavender lingered in the shop where we picked up some soothing lotion. Hi, pretty baby. Hi. Hello, pretty babies. It must be meal time at the OK Corral. We don't have food, I'm sorry. I wish we did. And those other ones out in the field are coming this way too. Llamas, whatever they're called. Hello, little babies. Hello. Yes, wonder boats. It's windy today. Hi there. Nice having the sunshine in today. It feels good, doesn't it? What's your name? You sure are pretty.
Okay, no feeding today.
No. Hello, pony back there.
That big horse back there or something.
You guys are pretty too, you llama things. Yeah.
Look at the grass on that side. We can get over there.
You got a big hill though. are you getting closer? Oh, you're going somewhere else. Okay. All right, we'll leave then.
Mile, turn right.
As we drove back to our accommodations, this beautiful day gave us one last gift. Flocks of birds flying across the sky above the mountains and the fields, closing out a simple but beautiful day.
Head southwest.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.